Okay, let's look at this problem. Now we want to find the extreme values of this function on the interval -2 and 2. Let's take its derivative, which is 4x cubed minus 4x, or we can write it as 4x times x squared minus 1. Now this equals 0 if x is 0 or x is plus or minus 1. Now let's look at this table. We have -1 here. Let's first write -2, then -1, then 0, then +1, then 2. So -2 and 2 are coming from these endpoints of the interval. Let's put the derivative. So we're not interested in this region and in this region. So when x is greater than 1, this part is positive and this part is positive, so the derivative is positive here. So it will be negative here, so we can write x minus 1 as x minus 1 plus x plus 1. So these are single roots, so the sign will change. So this is plus and this is minus. What does this tell? This tells us that the function is decreasing, increasing, decreasing, and increasing. So this value -2 must be a maximum, this is a minimum, this is a maximum value, this is a minimum value, and this is a maximum value. Okay, and if we notice that the values of f at -2 is 5, and this is also equal to f of 2, and f of -1 equals -4, which is equal to f of 1, and finally f of 0 is -3. Okay, so what does this mean? This means the following: at -2, -1, 0, +1, and +2, the function will look like this. At -2, the function is at 5, so it will be decreasing. So it will be coming like this, and then the function is increasing, and f0 is -3, and then it will be decreasing again, and then it will be increasing again. Okay, so these values are 5, and these values are -4, and this is -3. So this is the sketch of the function.